Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the SOUNDCORE Rave 3S speaker and I'm going to tell you all the controls and gestures in this speaker. At first we have the volume slider, which is in the top lower left corner in the top of our speaker, and we can slide it to increase and decrease our volume level. We have the pause and play button in the top of our speaker too, and using this button we can pause and unpause our music. We can go to the next song using the button which is to the right of our pause and play button, and we can go to the previous using the button to the left of our pause and play music. Using the middle we can play and pause and play, as I said. Goodbye!